Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to do iFlock IT. So iFlock IT is like this. We learn CCNA, CCNP, and for our first semester is going to learn CCNP and CCNA preparation for certification. And this is our ITN or ITN to learn CCNA, like the enterprise of CCNA learning. And we learn a lot in here, like basic switch and device configuration, Cisco IS access, UI, purpose of an OS, access method, and a lot more. As navigation, the command structure, the as command syntax check, IIS help feature, hotkeys and shortcuts. This is the hotkey and shortcuts to be a faster configuration using CLI. This is a basic device configuration. This is password guidelines. This is configure password. This is encrypt password, banner password, safe configuration, alter learning configuration, ports and address, interface and port and address, configure IP addressing, automatic IP address configuration for end device, switch virtual interface, SBI configuration, and that's the end of it. It's actually actually there's more, but I don't have a internet right now. Because I don't have a internet, I cannot show you guys. Like there's still a lot, like how much module, I don't know, 10 or 12 for one module. There's like 12 things, and for one module is like maybe was it materi? Yeah, one module there's like 12 materi, and one materi is like a lot of labs or the enterprise, how CCNA works. And we learn CCNA and we learn CCNA a lot in Cisco Packet Tracer, but for CCNP we learn in Workstation, which is firmware Workstation Pro. This is the firmware normal one, and this is the Pro one. We use the Pro one because it can deploy multiple what is it, like computer or the lab, and it's more efficient. So to run it, we need to press start, wait, I think it cannot run, but I don't know, I hope it can. Just wait. Okay, we use PNet to run CCNP. And yeah, so this is the IP, and the IP is 192.168.168.92 and 129. So we need to open in Edge. I usually use Edge to learn, and just search 192.168 and enter. After you enter it, you just need to put admin, and the password is PNet. And yeah, so this is my project, like EGRP stub, EGRP, and EGRP name config. So the last one is we are learning to do EGRP stub, as I remember. This one, stub or EGRP name config, I forgot, but the last one is 23 August. Oh, the last one is name config, EGRP name config. So let me show you the first EGRP first. Okay, open this. Okay, so what is EGRP? EGRP is a dynamic routing topology where the static one, you need to manually do a peer-to-peer or one-by-one configure it so they can communicate. And if we do it one by one for a huge scale, it will be a lot harder, and it will be use a lot of our energy to do it, because yeah, we need to do it one by one and check it and use a cable to do so. So they made a dynamic one so that can run automatically. Well, not automatically, but yeah, they can automatically made a static, not a static, or automatic routing protocol so they can communicate. So EGRP is a protocol from from Cisco, made by Cisco. There are two dynamic that I learned. This is the first one is OSPF, and the second one is EGRP. So EGRP is a Cisco routing protocol, and OSPF is for open vendor. Like, so if there's a router that's not a Cisco brand, then it can use OSPF. But if it's Cisco, it's recommended to use EGRP, because EGRP is more easier and more efficient and not that heavy to run it. And for OSPF, it's very heavy to run it because it needs a lot of LSA header, or do a lot of header, like they flood all of the areas to do hello package and acknowledge it. So the first one is doing EGRP, the EGRP. So we need three routers. The first one is we need to make the IP interface, which is 112 or 12 12 12 12 12 0, and the prefix is 30. 0, it means all around router, so it's 12 12 12 12 12 1 for the 0 0 0, and for the other one is 12 12 12 and 2. For example, I cannot make it because it's hard, and because there's no internet, and to run this router it needs internet. And yeah, maybe that's all the IT vlog. Sorry if I cannot show you because I don't have internet right now. In Egypt, internet is very expensive, and so we need to use it properly. And yeah, thank you for watching my IT vlog. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.